Are you one person who's operating on low power level? Then this video is for you. Today's toolkit is Power Back. And if you are one individual, so you are one coaching entrepreneur, you are one coaching professional, so helping people on areas of low power or power energy that is draining and depleting, then consider subscribing to this channel because today you can snag the toolkit for free for a limited time offer, and we're still on a runway of our 100 days live coaching toolkit mastery series where you can learn, use, and master a toolkit that you can use for yourself first and next to your clients so you can start, grow, and scale your business. Let's dive in for today's toolkit. Welcome to day 22. Today's we're gonna be talking about power level. And how do you know that your power level is low? There are a couple of things that you may want to take an inventory. Number one is, are you directed to a lot of concerns in life that is not your concern but other people's concern? Is your attention directed to what other people will tell about your decisions, what other people wants you to do? Are you one person who's thinking always that the things that you need to do must be approved by the people around you? Are you one person who's passing blame and looking for negativity in a situation, and yet you're saying, I'm not accountable, I do this, I did that, and I will do that in the future because this is what is expected of me? Then you know that you are operating on a low power. And when you operate on a low power, you are procrastinating, you are full of excuses, you are full of negativity, or somewhere out there, you're stuck in a space where you don't want to move and you just want to allow people to pull you and to drag you to the results that you truly want to achieve. And so if you are one person and you want to say no to this and you're saying enough is enough, then one thing that you need to do is say no to bots. So what does it mean? It means that when you hear yourself say, I want it, but I'm scared, X it, because that's a low power. When you hear yourself, I deserve it, but can I do it? X it. It's not, again, a power level or a high energy level. If you hear yourself saying, I think I'm ready for it, but what would my parents say? What would my friends say? Then you know you're again operating on low power. And for today's toolkit, you will see a lot of no to buts. There are going to be a lot of buts that you continue to say every single day in your life and that continue to deplete your energy. If you are meeting me for the first time, by the way, I am Master Coach A. I'm a professional certified life coach. I'm a coaching entrepreneur. I am also the founder and the creator of Life Coach Philippines. And since 2017, I've been helping individuals become a professional certified life coach. So if you are one person who wants to be trained to be coach and to be in a space where you can build your tribe as you build your coaching business, then 0917-586-1661. And if you are one person and saying, yes, I am operating on low power, then consider visiting this place, the Coffee Republic, at Pioneer Center Compound along Pioneer Road, corner Brixtons and United Streets, Capitolio, Pasig City, because the space can energize you. This is Master Coach A once again. I'll see you again tomorrow for day 23.